1. Virtual assistant. To succeed in this position, you should have the following: attention to detail, multitasking skills, organization skills, basic knowledge of technology. Average salary, $21,000, $60,000. 2. Data entry clerk. To succeed in this position, you should have the following skills and traits: attention to detail, fast and proficient typing, efficiency. Average salary, $23,000, $42,000. 3. Customer service representative. If this sounds like something you can handle, ensure you have the following personality traits and skills for success in this job: patience, empathy, interpersonal skills, communication. Average salary, $26,000, minus $55,000. 4. Social media manager. This job isn't for just anybody. You must have the following skills and traits to be a social media manager: familiarity with all social media platforms, having a large following is a plus, writing and design. Organization and time management, research and analytics. Average salary, $36,000, $81,000. 5. Writer. If you're creative and have a knack for words, you can consider writing as a good career path. Content writing. Average salary, $50,949. Copywriting. Average salary, $56,568. Technical writer. Average salary, $63,883. 6. Proofreader or copy editor. To succeed in this position, you should have the following skills: English spelling and grammar, eye for detail, determination to produce quality, finished works. Average salary, $50,010. 7. Tutor. Skills and traits needed for this position include interpersonal skills, teaching skills, patience and empathy. Average salary, $22,000, $84,000. 8. Sales representative. Skills needed to become a sales representative: strong work ethic, strong written and verbal communication, persuasion and public speaking. Red flags to watch out for in a potential employer: requires you to pay up front for a product or service you're going to sell, requires you to recruit other salespeople, it only pays you a commission. Average salary, $49,889. 9. Transcriptionist. Transcribing is typically considered a freelancing or part-time gig. Sites that are frequently used by transcriptionists to find work are Rev, Upwork, and Scribie. Otherwise, larger companies that deal with media are likely to hire transcriptionists to work on their ever-flowing media outputs. Average pay, roughly $20 per hour per job. 10. Search engine evaluator. What is needed to become a search engine evaluator? Knowledge of technology and search engines, understanding of search engine optimization, quality written and verbal communication skills. Average salary, $36,000, $60,000. Hopefully, after reading this article, you'll be able to better evaluate what potential work from home opportunities are available and suitable for you.